irregular periods, whether it should be worried, whether it needs a medical concern. So usually irregular periods are seen normally or physiologically in three conditions where it usually does not require any medical attention. That is during the puberty, when the initial 1 or 2 years of attaining the menarche, it is considered to be normal, and during the breastfeeding period, again it is considered to be normal, and during the perimenopausal period where almost the periods are going to cease, that time it is considered to normal. And coming to the irregular periods, if it is more, if the periods are irregular like once in 2 months or 3 months, it is okay and it is considered as normal during the puberty, and then during the breastfeeding time, and then during the perimenopause. But there is a kind of irregular cycles where it is very frequent, which whether it is like 15 days once or 20 days once or less than 25 days once, the frequency is very often. Then even during the puberty or even during the breastfeeding time or even during the perimenopause time, it is considered to be abnormal, and definitely it requires treatment, because if the periods are happening less than 25 days once, it causes lot of blood loss, and definitely it causes lot of stress on the girls who are during the pubertal age, or during the for the breastfeeding moms, or during the perimenopausal period where there is lot of blood loss, and then definitely it requires a medical attention. And then during the reproductive age, that is where the woman is not feeding and she is not in a perimenopausal period and she is not during the puberty, those times the irregular period better to get treated. At least the period should happen naturally once in 2 months at least. If it is not happening, definitely you need to visit your gynecologist so that you get the periods at least once in 2 months. If it is delayed for more time, definitely the endometrium can get resistant, and in future it you may get a resistant endometrium where even after taking the medicines you may not be able to get the periods. For further details, you can visit our center or you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.